right, are you ready? Let's go! Right, vel gert. Næsti hópur þá Birta og Vanessa. Og Pumi og Mikki. Let's go! All right, let's go! Alright, Vanessa og Birta. 3, 2, 1. Vanessa og Birta, takk fyrir gott ball, Púmi og Mikki.
Sex hópar. Síðustu tveir hóparnir, let's go! Erum við þá, hvert erum við komin? Næsta tím. 3 teams sem að mætast. Let's go, thank you. Sigurvegararnir 3, öll 6, kom út á gólf. Öll 3 sigurvegara tím. Kristín og Viktor fara síðust. Þannig að það eru Birta og Vanessa eða Dagbjört og Edda sem byrja. 30 sekundur, hver partner. Eigum við að byrja hérna með eins og þetta sé einfalt? Yes. Við byrjum hér á Vanessa og Birtu, fyrir svo í Dagbjört og Eddu, og svo í Kristín og Viktor, og svo fyrir hinn aðilinn. Make sense? 30-second rounds. Get ég beðið ykkur 2 að standa aðeins lengra þarna? Thank you so much, yes. Let's go.
From your head to your toe, everything you see is what you know. Like when the sun rise and when the sun go, put down the pride and think what you do. Many men fall cause them wisdom low, and if you never know, now you know. I'm talking to the souls, them we ganja and do. Me I beg you try to give life where things don't grow. Just know me not judge me, they on the same road. I'm just a youth from the West Indies, pushing on the corner what is left in me. The thing me I serve are the recipe. Yes indeed, yes indeed. I'm just a youth from the West Indies, pushing on the corner what is left in me. Tell me is it selfish to invest in me? Yes indeed, yes indeed.
At the Dabbers, let's go.
You know I'll be around when the trumpet sound. 2 by 2, they're coming for you. You know I'll be around when the trumpet sound. I got life Philip on the sanctified thing. Crucify me sins, I'm on the gut a man thing. Off the cross I put the rum in a cap bling bling. Bye bye, everybody sing sing. Me not in the mix up with another man thing. But enemy place figure judge a man thing. Or you figure slaughter another man king. Just another stone if you want without sin. Johnny have a monster will come from this. Even when you're papa, your soul must reach. House come free conquer the bottom list. You must be part and fight like this. Come from the pit, come from distant places. Run from the discipline, the system making. Your heart of it right when you dip on this. Host of your Bible for us up this. I'm just a youth from the West Indies, pushing on the corner what is left in me. The thing me I serve are the recipe. Yes indeed, yes indeed. I'm just a youth from the West Indies, pushing on the corner what is left in me. Tell me is it selfish to invest in me? Yes indeed, yes indeed. 2 by 2, they're coming for you. You know I'll be around when the trumpet sound. 2 by 2, they're coming for you. You know I'll be around when the trumpet sound.
Oh, ahora Vanessa og Birta, let's go.
Yo, I go by the name of Pharrell from the Neptunes, and I just want to let y'all know
I'm your pusher.
the world is about to feel something that they never felt before. Come on.
From ghetto to ghetto, the backyard to yard, I sell it whip on whip. It's off the hard. I'm the neighborhood pusher. Call me subwoofer, cause I pump bass like that, Jack. On or off the track, I'm heavy, cuz ball to your fathers, you can duck to the Betty Gov. Sorry, my love, but I'm seeing through these eyes. Benz convoys with the wagon on the side. Only big boys keep deuces on the ride. Gucci Chuck Taylor with the dragon on the side. Man, I make a buck by scram. I'm trying to show y'all who the fuck I am. The Jews is flirting, be damned if I'm hurting. Legend in 2 games like I'm Pee Wee Kirkland. Platinum on the block with consistent hits, while Pharrell keep talking this music shit. Patty cake, I'm the baker's man. I bake them cakes as fast as I can. And you can tell by how my bread stack up. Then disguise it as rap so the feds back up. Watch it, like my whip, like my chick topless. Doing a $1.06 with me in the cockpit. Grinding cousin, I got hoes for a dozen. Even 11.5 if I see you keep it coming in my way. That's just as heavy as my name. So much dough I can't swear I won't change. Excuse me if my wealth got me full of myself. Cocky, something that I just can't help. Especially when them 20s is spinning like windmills. And the ice 32 below minus the wind chill. Filthy, the word that best defines me. I'm just grinding, man. Y'all never mind me.
Judges will now select the team that will not go forward. Judges, who will not go forward? On 3, 2, 1.
Come on.
Birta og Vanessa, takk fyrir floppa. Let's go. Eftir standa Edda og Dagbjörn og Viktor og Kristín. Við sjáum hvernig þetta fer. Jöp, það passar. Þetta basically bara helmingurinn af the Super Kids Club Juniors. Let's go! All right, 30 seconds each. Við förum bara 1 round. Erum við ready? 1 round í sigurvegara. Let's go!